Hi friends, I would like to introduce you to the 6 audio engineering training manuals that I've authored for the UNESCO-ICPD Diploma in Audio Engineering program. When you sign up for this Diploma in Audio Engineering program with any ICPD accredited provider, apart from having access to the online version, you will also receive these 6 physical colored training manuals for free. These manuals come with accompanying tutorial videos for enhanced learning. The training manuals are designed specifically for individuals who want to learn the correct practices and practical applications of sound engineering from the ground up, based on the correct scientific principles and approaches derived from real-life experiences and applications. So, not only they are suitable for enthusiasts seeking a solid foundation, but also for experienced audio professionals looking to enhance their knowledge and skills in the field. Alternatively, if you are already an ICPD accredited provider and you would like to be licensed to teach this audio engineering program, you can email info@intlcpd.org for more information. Thank you.